When do police need a search warrant to search me? When do police need a search warrant to search you? So, my name is Corey Scott, and I am a criminal defense attorney here in the state of Indiana. And I get this question all the time. People want to know when and under what circumstances do police need to get a warrant to search them. And so here's the thing. Generally speaking, because you live in the state of Indiana, because you live in the United States of America, you generally can go about your business without being searched by police, without police is essentially, intruding upon your privacy and your right to privacy. But there are some exceptions, and I'll just go through the main ones. Now, this is not meant to be exhaustive to say that, this covers every circumstance, but there are some exceptions to the general rule that police have to have a warrant. So these are like 3 or 4 of the main ones to where, police don't need a warrant, essentially is what we're talking about. So let's go through them. First of all, if you consent, then that's an exception to the general rule that police need to get a warrant. Because if you consent to it, then there is no violation of your right to privacy. So consent is one. Another circumstance or exception is search incident to a lawful arrest. So that means that you've been stopped, you've been arrested, and as a part of that arrest procedure, police can search your person and go in your pockets, etc., to get your belongings for safekeeping, etc. And so that's also an exception to the warrant requirement. Another main exception is plain view. In other words, if police can see something in plain view that you're not entitled to have, or you shouldn't have, or that it's illegal for you to have, then police don't need a search warrant for that. But now, outside of these main exceptions, consent, search incident to arrest, and plain view, for other circumstances, then police should get a warrant before searching you, before searching your car, your home, etc. If you have any questions about this or anything related to this, feel free to reach out, give me a call. I'd be more than happy to talk to you.